Using tags to get more traffic to your blog through blog directories. Tags are generally ignored by site owners and bloggers in terms of potential. They're small, for one, and very often easy to overlook. Furthermore, those who do not understand their use or significance, or at least why and how they work, may not often appreciate their value. This is unfortunate because tags can help increase the traffic coming into your blog from blog directories. Learn what tags are and how they work so you can maximize their use. Tag URL. A tag, also referred to as a meta tag, is a keyword that is used to label specific information found on a web page. A meta tag uses HTML tags that are hidden from plain sight but clearly visible to web crawlers. A tag functions mainly for identification of an article, for example, or a title, subheading, site description, or image, hence the name tag. They are often used as tools to ping multiple search engines, create a presence for use in social bookmarking, and to drive traffic to your site, especially your blog. With tags, it will be easier for your site, article, or web page to be found in search engines where they are supported. Put simply, a tag is a small piece of identification on your blog that informs a search engine bot or spider what your site is about and how it should be indexed. If you can choose and design the right combination of tags for your blog, you will be able to manipulate the number and type of traffic that reaches your site from blog directories legally. Using tags on your blog to drive more traffic. Blog directories are repositories of information and news regarding the types of blogs available for a particular topic or subject. As such, they can be very useful sources of highly targeted traffic for your own blog. To maximize the use of blog directories for this purpose, consider doing the following. Choose your words carefully. Keep in mind that your blog is just one of millions out there vying for attention. Even if you're trying to build a reputation within a relatively smaller niche industry, you will still be competing with at least a dozen others in your market segment. Careful consideration in choosing the specific keywords or tags to use with your blog will help you stand out in blog directories. There are 3 important tags that you should focus on when designing your blog for traffic increase from blog directories. These are the title tag, the description tag, and the keyword/s tag. The title tag. The title of each blog entry you have should contain the most essential keywords that appear in your write-up or are relevant to your content. This will help optimize your entry and make it easier for search engines to find and index. Prospective visitors who perform a search using Google, Yahoo, or MSN search, for example, will be able to reach an optimized blog, since it's more likely to appear in a search engine list. As a result, you drive more traffic to your blog. The description tag. Although description tags are ignored by some search engines, adding this to your blog can help influence how your blog, or at least its web pages, is described. The keyword tag. The keyword tag is the word or phrase that you will repeat within the content body or web page in question. Used strategically, these keywords can help increase your blog's results in search engines and bring in more traffic to your site by allowing visitors to easily find you. Don't be afraid to combine keywords, though. That's how you will be able to create highly targeted key phrases to optimize your blog. 3 to 4 word key phrases will do. Multiple word tags are advantageous to single word searches as well. If you use a keyword phrase tag that says rock, paper, scissors, for example, your blog still has the potential to show up in case someone uses only the word rock or paper in his search. Don't overdo the use of tags. If you don't watch out, tags can be addictive. It could reach a point where you might find yourself using tags that have little relevance to your blog. This usually happens when you try too hard to make sure that your blog or web page appears in more listings. Although it may seem like a good idea to help increase traffic to your blog, particularly as a means to shine in blog directories, overuse of tags can be counterproductive. Try to be careful in choosing only the kind of tags that your blog truly needs. Leaner but highly targeted tags are much more effective than generic ones. Follow through. A good tag can gain initial interest in your blog and increase traffic coming from blog directories. However, it can only do so much. Now that traffic is beating at your door, you should be able to throw a real party thereafter. Make sure that the content associated with your tag/s is well worth your visitors' click. It should offer specific information for a specific purpose and should include the content that you so readily promised in your links. Otherwise, you won't earn the trust of a loyal readership or following. A baited title that lacks the backing of useful content will be viewed as a cheap trick and won't earn you a lot of respect or traffic.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.